You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
So 5 years ago, I did a video. Well, YouTube says it's 5 years ago. I think it was 6 years ago when I still lived in Washington State. I did a video and I had to write it down because I couldn't remember the full name. It's called Steak Grill and Cheap Walmart Grill with Rain and Darkness. Over 21,000 views on that video. That video is a third most viewed video I have. And I did that video kind of like as a joke or just kind of like a filler video. Wasn't really serious about it because it was just a cheap, crappy barbecue grill. And I gotta say, I've never gotten so much feedback in a negative way. I was just having fun outside. That grill got me a lot of views. I got rid of it. So during the last week, the daughter was over with the kids and the husband, and we wanted to do some Filipino meat on a stick. It was pork. And we did a pork butt and cut it up thinly and skewered it and marinated it in like a Philippine marinade with banana ketchup, soy sauce, ginger, onion, you know, traditional Filipino ingredients. I needed to get another grill because the Fisto wasn't enough. Although I did use a Fisto to cook it. Now, getting back to the cheap Walmart grill, I went out and bought another one. I think it cost less than when I bought that one 6 years ago. I know it was under $25. So here it is. Yeah, putting this thing together, kind of crazy. It was packaged nicely, no damage to the box or anything like that. There's so many parts just for a little grill. As you can see, I did use it. Putting it together, everything was fine, but you'll see here there's a wing nut, and there should be one on the other side over here. And it did come with another wing nut, but it was the wrong size. So I had to go out in the garage and look for a dirty not a wing nut, but I had to go out and find another dirty nut. So I put that thing on there just for now. I don't know, I'm not going to invest any time and money into finding the proper wing nut because this will work. This thing is flim flam, but it is popular on YouTube. I cannot believe how popular this thing is. Expert grill again. Can you imagine the Detmers again? Yeah, putting it together. What a headache. So I cooked the Filipino meat on a stick, and I call it meat on the stick because that's what we called it in the Navy when we would get it from a meat vendor. We just questioned what the meat was. We thought maybe it was monkey or something like that. It wasn't monkey, it was pork. Pork, chicken, and fish is the most common meats you'll find in the Philippines. So yeah, it all looked pretty good cooking it. I cooked a lot, and I did, as I said, on the Fisto. And it was a good day. It was over 80 degrees. Today it's kind of cold. It's like 65 degrees, but it is about 6 p.m. Not real windy or anything, but I don't know. I just feel kind of cold after all that heat that we had the last few days. Actually, the whole week. We were at the beach for 3 days in a row, wearing hardly anything. Now here I am, I got a little light jacket on. So here's my advice. If you're a YouTuber and you want to get some views, just buy this grill. People love watching this grill. I don't understand why. And I had a lot of people saying, because I was calling it crap and all this and that, and just saying it wasn't really great. And I got a lot of crap for saying that. I had some guy kind of stalking me too. I blocked him. Now, what does the future hold for the Detmers and this grill? I don't know. I might just set it out with the trash on Friday. I'm serious. I don't really need it, but pretty cool just to do this video. Thank you folks for watching. I'll see you all next time.